Complete motorcycle restoration transformation. Have you ever looked at an old, dusty motorcycle and wondered if it could ever ride again? Most people would see nothing more than a worn-out machine covered in dirt, faded paint, rust, and years of neglect. But for a skilled mechanic, every damaged motorcycle holds a hidden story waiting to be brought back to life. In today's restoration journey, you'll witness an incredible transformation as an abandoned motorcycle is carefully dismantled, cleaned, repaired, rebuilt, and restored into a machine that looks and performs like new. The restoration begins in an outdoor workspace where the motorcycle sits quietly after years of use and exposure. Dust covers every surface. The paint has lost its shine. The metal parts show signs of corrosion, and grease mixed with dirt has formed a thick layer over the engine and suspension. At first glance, the motorcycle seems beyond repair, but appearances can be deceiving. The mechanic starts with a complete inspection. Every component is examined carefully to understand the condition of the frame, engine, brakes, suspension, wheels, electrical wiring, and fuel system. A successful restoration always begins with patience and careful planning, because every damaged part tells a story about the motorcycle's past. The disassembly process begins. One by one, every bolt, screw, panel, and mechanical component is removed. The fuel tank comes off first, followed by the seat, side covers, exhaust system, wheels, suspension, chain, swing arm, handlebars, and engine accessories. Every part is organised neatly to make the rebuilding process easier later. With the motorcycle completely stripped down, the real restoration work begins. Years of dirt, oil, and grease are removed using specialised cleaning chemicals. Thick black grime slowly disappears under brushes and cleaning solutions, revealing the original metal underneath. Each cleaned part looks dramatically different from when it was first removed. Attention then shifts to the engine, often considered the heart of any motorcycle. The engine casing is opened carefully, exposing internal gears, bearings, pistons, and shafts. Every moving component is inspected for wear. Old engine oil has become thick and contaminated after years of use, making cleaning even more important. Rust is one of the biggest enemies of any motorcycle restoration. Corroded bolts, brackets, and metal surfaces are treated using rust removal chemicals and mechanical polishing tools. Slowly, the orange corrosion disappears, replaced by clean, shiny metal that looks almost factory fresh. The frame receives special attention because it forms the foundation of the motorcycle. Every crack, scratch, and damaged section is inspected carefully. After sanding away old paint and surface rust, the frame is prepared for a fresh protective coating that will help prevent future corrosion while giving the motorcycle a brand new appearance.
The suspension components are cleaned thoroughly before new seals and lubricants are installed. Smooth suspension movement is essential for both comfort and safety, making this one of the most important stages of the restoration. The wheels are restored next. Bearings are replaced, rims are polished, and tires are carefully inspected. If necessary, worn tires are replaced with new ones to ensure maximum grip and safe riding performance. The braking system also receives a complete overhaul, including brake calipers, brake discs, brake pads, and hydraulic components. Reliable brakes are essential because no restoration is complete without ensuring rider safety. Next comes the electrical system. Old wiring is inspected for damaged insulation, broken connectors, and corrosion. Every electrical connection is cleaned to guarantee reliable performance. The battery, ignition system, switches, and lighting components are checked individually before reinstallation. The fuel system also undergoes a complete restoration. The fuel tank is cleaned inside and out to remove old fuel deposits and rust particles. Carburetor components are carefully disassembled and cleaned, so fuel can flow smoothly once the motorcycle returns to the road. Every tiny passage inside the carburetor is cleared to restore proper engine performance. After every component has been cleaned, repaired, polished, or replaced, The exciting rebuilding phase begins. The freshly painted frame becomes the foundation once again as each restored component is carefully reinstalled in the correct order.